ज्ञान भक्ति और विश्वास मैत्री त्रिबीजपत्री चिंता चेतना और चिरंतनतार सहयात्री त्रिबीजपत्री।
Welcome students, today we will study how to make additions and subtractions of fractions. So addition and subtraction of fractions, today's topic. Okay, now let us see how we can add, जोग करिबा भग्नांश दुईटी बा तीनटी जते थाउ ताको आमे केमिति जोग करिबा एवं केमिति आमे ताको वियोग करिबा हैला। एडिशन प्रथम आमे एडिशन करिबा दुईटी फ्रैक्शन को नै केते इजी देखो पिला माने सो इजी टू डू दिस थिंग्स। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल add 1/6 with 1/6 plus 5/6. Here you see, children, the denominators are the same. If the denominators are same, then you simply add the numerators and divided by the same denominator in this way, right? So if denominator प्रथम टा 6 रही, द्वितीय टा 6 रही, simply add this like this. 1 plus 5 divided by 6. This is equal to 6/6. So 6/6 is equal to 1. Now come to next fraction, that is 2/7 plus 5/7 plus 11/7. Here you see all these fractions have the same denominator, that is 7. So the common denominator is written here, and now all the numerators are simply added. 2 plus 5 plus 11 is equal to 7/11 is 18/7. Then it has to be made into mixed fraction. So how can we make it mixed? You have to divide 18 by 7. 7 2s are 14. Remainder is 4. Now it can be easily made into a mixed fraction. That is, first the quotient. The quotient is 2. Then the remainder 4. Then the divisor 7. 2 whole 4/7. Right? So this is the answer. Now I am giving you some more examples like this, and you have to do this. Okay? See these examples. See, in the same way, you have to add these 3 questions. In these 3 questions, you have to add the fractions. Right? So they are the like fractions where all the denominators are the same. So it is easy for you to add these fractions. Okay, you add this and send me your answer papers. Okay, now children, we will proceed further. If the denominators are different, how we can add the fractions? Now let us see. 1/5, 2/3, 3/7. Here you see the denominators are quite different. Here it is 5, here it is 3, and here it is 7. And no denominator is divisible by any other 2. Okay? So all are different and all are indivisible by any other. So, we simply Find out the LCM of the denominators, lowest common multiple. And here it is so easy because there is no common factor which is divisible by these three denominators. Right? तो कौन से गोटे कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं जहाँ द्वारा एमाने सब डिविजिबल हेबे एमाने परस्परर मौलिक. So in this case only you have to multiply the denominators. So LCM of 5, 3 and 7 is equal to how much? 5 into 3 into 7, 105. Our objective is प्रत्येक फ्रैक्शन रो डिनोमिनेटर को 105 करबा को पड़िबो. तंग करबा को पड़िले डिनोमिनेटर प्रत्येक डिनोमिनेटर हम जहां मल्टीप्लाई करबा न्यूमरेटर मध्ये सेति मल्टीप्लाई करबा. फॉर एग्जांपल यू सी 1/5 we have to make it 105. How can we make it? If we multiply 5 with 21, 5 is 105. So, if we multiply 21 to the denominator, the same number should be multiplied to the numerator. Then it is 21 upon 105. Then it is also 2/3. Here we have to make 3 into 105. Then 105 is divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. 1. Then it is 5. 3 5s are 15. So the percent is 35. If we multiply 35 to 3, it will be 105. Then you have to multiply the same number, that is 35, to the numerator here 2. Then 2 multiplied by 35 is 70 divided by 105. Again this one 3 upon 7. We have to multiply 15 to 7. 15 7 is 105. Then we have to multiply 15 to 3. Then it results 15 3s are 45 upon 105. Okay. Now you simply add the fractions. See, it is 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 7, then is equal to, for 1/5 you can write 21 upon 105. For 2/3 you have to take 70 upon 105. For 3/7 you have to take 45 upon 105. Then it will be equal to, denominator with the same 105. Then you see all the denominators are the same. केवल denominator गुडी को same position को आनिबा पई, same number को आनिबा पई हम एमिति कन्वर्ट करिलु. तापरे न्यूमरेटर गुडी को सिंपली ऐड करि देबा. 21 plus 70 plus 45. You add them now. 21, 70, 45. 5 plus 1 6. 7 plus 4 11 plus 2 13. That is 136 divided by 105. Now it is 136 upon 105. This is the answer. Okay. Now I am doing one more question. So the second question, you are asked to add 7 upon 12 plus 25 upon 36. Here we see the two denominators 12 and 36, and both the denominators are different. So we have to find out the LCM of the two. Now you have to find out LCM of 12 and 36. You know, children, that 36 is divisible by 12. Then you can directly take 12. 12 1 that 12, 12 3 that 36. Then simply you multiply these three numbers. Equal to 12 into 1 into 3. It is 36. 7 upon 12 is equal to, we have to make it 36. Then we have to multiply 3 with 12, and the same number is multiplied here with the numerator. So it is 21 upon 36. Again, 25 upon 36 is simply 36, and here it is 25. Now 7 upon 12 plus 25 upon 36 is equal to, for 7 by 12 we have to write 21 upon 36, plus for 25 upon 36 we have to write the same number, that is 36. Here 36 is the common thing, and now simply add these two. 21 plus 25 divided by 36, and it is equal to 5 plus 1, it is 6, 2 plus 2 is 4 upon 36. So it is an improper fraction. We have to make it a mixed fraction. 46 is to be divided by 36. 36 1 are 36. Remainder comes 10. So it will be equal to, the quotient is 1, remainder is 10, and the divisor is 36. 1 whole 10 upon 36. This is the answer. Okay? I think you all understand it better. Hello? प्रथम आम कौन करिबा जदि भिन्न भिन्न डिनोमिनेटर थाए से डिनोमिनेटर गुडिकर एलसीएम बाहर करिबा. ओके, एलसीएम बाहर करिबा परे से एलसीएम कानी की प्रत्येक डिनोमिनेटर को से एलसीएम को कन्वर्ट करिबा को पड़िबो, जा फल वर्तमान हमर समान डिनोमिनेटर हेइबो. डिनोमिनेटर समान हेले इजीली हम न्यूमरेटर गुडी को ऐड करि दबा. ऐड कर दला पर डिनोमिनेटर तो लिखि दबा एलसीएम डिनोमिनेटर को हे गल तमन. क्लियर? So it is all about the addition of two fractions or more fractions. Clear? Now children, we see how to subtract two fractions. Right? How to subtract? Ame kemiti biyoga kariba. The exactly the same process. We have to make the common denominator. If common denominator is there, then it is simply the numerators are subtracted. But if the denominators are different, then you have to make the LCM of the denominators and do as you did in the addition. Okay, for example, now see, if you are asked to subtract 1 upon 5 from 3 upon 5. If you are asked to subtract 3 upon 5 from 1 upon 5, then it is the same, denominator is same, and you have to subtract the numerators. 1 is a small number, 3 is a big number, so it is not subtracted simply. If we subtract, then we have to put a minus sign, that is minus 2 upon 5. Likewise, If it is 13 upon 8 minus 5 upon 8. So the denominators are the same. So you have to write the same denominator here and you have to simply subtract 13 minus 5. Here it is 8 upon 8 is equal to 1. If you are asked to subtract 8 upon 25 from 3 upon 5, you see here the denominators are not the same. So you have to make the same denominator. How can you make it? You have to simply find out the LCM. Now we have to find out the LCM of 5 and 25. And we take the factor 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. Now it is time to find out the LCM. It is 5 into 1 into 5, that is 25. Clear? So convert now 3 by 5. We have to convert 5 into 25. How can we get 5? If you multiply 5 with 5, it will be 25. Then the same number will be multiplied to the numerator 3. Okay, the existing numerator is 3. Now 3 5s are 15. And here it is 25. And you need not convert this into any other number because here 25 is already there. So now 3 upon 5 minus 8 upon 25 will be equal to how much? So in place of 3 upon 5 you have to write 15 upon 25 minus is 8 upon 25. Now you simply subtract these two. 15 minus 8 divided by 25. Now it is 7 upon 25. This is the answer. Okay? Now children, I think you all understand it better and I am sure it will be easy for you to do the problems in your exercise number 15 in your book. It is all over now. Have a nice day.